Here we go again. We're about to do the right side mounting bracket of the T-Rex racing crash guard. We're taking out the 10mm bolts that came attached to the bracket. Now I'm going to get the bracket installed and we'll put the cage on it. Moving the engine bolt like we did on the left side. And we're going to replace it with a bolt from T-Rex. And it's just a little bit longer. It's 70mm. There's a spacer. The spacer goes in the engine. That'll keep the bracket at a safe distance from the case and put no stress on it. The original washer comes off and goes on to the bolt, just like on the other side. Double check the orientation on this. The right hand side bracket. I'm going to go in through the fairing, we're going to slip it down, we're going to put the bolt through the hole. Only dropped it. That's okay, because oops, there it is. Bolt through the hole, oops. Loctite. Thread locker compound from any brand you prefer. And I'll hand tight this down. For the hand tight, I want to make sure I ain't got no binding. No cross threading. Okay. This is the thread extending from the bolt they provided us. That's where the engine cross brace used to be. I took this out and put theirs in. And the spacer goes on here first so that the bracket goes on after the spacer. The engine guard's going to slip on that. Place here. To the right side, maybe it's easier because the engine rear guard is already there. Not sure. Now this is a lock nut. It's got plastic lock material in it. There's a washer with it. Yep. Gonna need to hold that on the other side while I tighten this to make sure that it stays in. Now we can go ahead and torque the engine bolt down to the 35 pounds. We've got set on the wrench. Your specs on your bike might be slightly different. I have a feeling they're probably all just about the same. I'm going to go in here with my hand Allen wrench. I'm going to attempt to snug up the bolts that basically hold the cage onto the engine bracket. Alright, I feel pretty good about that. This side seems to be easier than the other side for clearance reasons. I can explain. Go. And okay, so this engine size is not 14 millimeter like it was when it came off. Final touch. The puck that goes on. It says 1300 and is in red to match the bike.